Hey everyone, I just got a bunch of the new combo craft packs from John Beat and I cannot wait to get started using them. They come in tons of color combinations. They're perfect for a family craft day or making things for the holidays or just spending an afternoon making a floral headband like we're doing today. Each pack has 300 pieces and includes flexible fuzzy pipe cleaners, vibrant pom-poms in different sizes, and goofy googly eyes. Use them for cute critters, unique jewelry, decorations, or whimsical art pieces. This kit has everything you need to inspire hours of crafting happiness. Now the first thing I'm going to do is start creating some flowers. Start by bending the end of the pipe cleaner over about 1.5 inches and twist. Thread the other end of the cleaner through the tip and bend it back down to the base and twist. Back up again through the tip and back down to the base twist. Now shape the petal and make 4 more. My first petal was not perfect, but it only took a little bit of practice to become a pro. Pipe cleaners, also known as chenille stems, were invented in the early 1900s by John Harry Stedman and Charles Angel in Rochester, New York. They were initially designed for cleaning smoking pipes, but they quickly found applications in various crafts and DIY projects due to their bendability. Next, we're going to hot glue the petals to another pipe cleaner, which will be the stem, and then add a pom-pom in the middle. Grab some floral tape, wrap the stem about 3 or 4 inches. The next flower is super cute. Take 2 pipe cleaners and connect the ends. Wrap them around a chunky marker to make a spring. Next, take a 3rd pipe cleaner and thread it through the spring. Twist about 1 inch or so to the end. Smush the springs together and twist the other end to the center pipe cleaner. Now twist both ends together and flatten out the petals, making sure they overlap each other nicely. Take the flower and push the petals upwards like a tulip. Now glue a pom-pom in the center and add some floral tape. I love this little flower. Pom-poms have a rich history, evolving from symbols of status and power to modern fashion accessories. They originated in Scandinavia during the Viking era, with a statuette of the god Freyr showing a pom-pom on his hat. For the leaves, we're making a green version of the flower petals. I'm going to use some different greens to add interest. With floral tape, add them to a stem to make a vine. Make 2 of these. Once you have enough flowers and vines for your headband, start wrapping them around a plastic headband and position them as best you can. After the flowers are wrapped, weave in the leafy vines. Finally, you want to add lots of hot glue in the empty spaces and add pom-poms. This is going to add more color and keep all of the flowers where you want them. That's it. Now you have a wonderful, colorful floral headband. Make sure to let me know what you think in the comments, okay? I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. And if you want to see projects I don't share anywhere else, check me out on Patreon. I'll leave a link for that as well. If you want inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.